Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the third video in the series of adjectives and adverbs. In the first video I have told you about the positive form of adjective and the positive form of adverbs. That are two videos. In the second video I told you about the comparative adjective form and comparative adverb form. Now in this video I am going to tell you about superlative adjective form and superlative adverb form. If you will understand all these forms easily or in detail, then you will be able to understand adjectives and adverbs more easily. So now let's start. So first of all, what is the definition of superlative adjective and adverb? The superlative form of adjectives and adverbs compares three or more people, places, or things. So this form of adjective compares three people or more than three people in a sentence. First, with adjectives, we will add est to the positive form of most one-syllable word and some two-syllable word. For other words, place most before the positive form. I have told you about the one-syllable word and two-syllable word in the comparative video, but let me revise it here again. In one-syllable word are those which has unbroken vowel sound. For example, buy, smart, cat, dog. They have one vowel sound, so they are one syllable word. Two syllable words are those which have two or more than two vowel sounds. For example, beautiful, view, one, T, second syllable, full, third syllable. There are three syllables because there are three vowel sounds in it. So it is more than two or more than two syllable words. Now what is saying? That you will add est with one syllable word and there are some two syllable words with which you can add est. Otherwise you will place most before the positive form. Example, Mary is the smartest of all. Now here Mary is being compared with all the girls or all the boys present in that area. So Mary is smartest. We will use est because she is being compared with a lot of people. But Mary is the most beautiful of all. Now beautiful is the third syllable word, so we can't use est with it. So we will add most with it. So this is the difference. And with superlative adverb form, with most adverbs, place most before the positive form. There is not est in adverb case. You will only add most to make it superlative adverb form. Tom runs most quickly of the three. Now this three is telling us that Tom is being compared with three people, so most will be used superlative. He got the most beautifully even sentence of all. All is telling us that he is being compared with all, so most will be used. Let's look another example. Of all the men, Jim is the most upset. Jim is the most upset. It tells us that it's telling us that Jim is being compared with more than three people, so we use the superlative adverb form, adjective. And upset has the two syllable, up, one syllable, set, two syllable. So it is two syllable word, so we will use most with it. Okay, there is a hint. If there will be of all, in the world, in school, on the team, on the job, ever seen, ever heard, and other similar phrases can signal comparisons of three or more people, places, or things. You need the superlative form with an est ending or most word. It means that if there will be of all and these phrases or similar to these phrases in a sentence, it will be a hint for you to use a superlative adjective. Now let's look at the superlative adverb. Same goes with the superlative adverb. The phrases I have told you, you will also remember those phrases for the adverb. So let's look at an example. Bob saying dash of all. All tells that Bob is being compared with all people, so superlative form will be used. We will only use most with the adverbs. So this is all about the superlative adverb or adjectives. In the next video I will tell you, we will do some exercises. These exercises will help you in understanding comparative, positive and superlative adjectives and adverbs in detail. We will complete these all exercises when in the next video. Thank you so much, and do subscribe my channel if you want it in your feed. Thank you.